In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Roblox. So once you've downloaded the application, just go ahead and open it. And here, you need to click on create an account. If you're a new user, obviously you're going to be creating an account and not signing in. So click on create account. So I'm going to ask you some information, your date of birth, username, and gender, which is optional. So I'm just going to input my date of birth. So when you input your date of birth, click on confirm birthday. Then you need to pick a unique username. You need to know that your username has to be unique and has to be between 3 and 20 characters, and it must contain only letters, numbers, and underscore. So when you input your birthday and a unique username, click on continue. So now it's time to create a password for your account. Just create a unique and strong password that is at least 8 characters long. So when you create your password, just click on done. And there I just successfully created a Roblox account. This is the home page.